Hey guys, I realised I didn't have a video in my Violin Basics playlist on just the parts of the violin, which is really good for very beginners. So that's what we're going to do today. Alright, so we've just got a little protective blanket there. Okay, so alright, so here is our violin. Up the top here we have the very beautiful scroll, which is really pretty, and then we have the pegs, which you would know from our video on how to tune the violin. We use those for tuning. This is the peg box up here. This is the neck of the violin, and the black part along here is the fingerboard, because of course that's where our fingers run around. We've got our strings running down all the way over the bridge down to the tailpiece, which connects in down here, and here's the end pin. So these are the fine tuners, which are basically just little screws. The chin rest, you can take these off easily if you want to change it to find the one that suits you best. We've got our F holes, and if we turn this around, we look inside this F hole, the one on the right hand side of the violin, you can see a little something in there. So that's actually the sound post. So it's basically just a little piece of wood like that, and it's put in there carefully by the luthier, and it's shaped specifically for each violin. So each violin, because they're made of wood and they're hand carved, they're all going to have a slightly different shape. So you need the sound post to match perfectly to get the best sound out of your violin. So you want it to match the wood on the bottom and the top without any gaps. And then it's where it's placed. You can see it's sort of a little bit underneath or below the bridge. So they're sort of placed in hopefully the best place to get the best sound out of the instrument. So this is the body, and we've got the back of the violin there. Then of course we have our bow, which is made of wood. Well, this one is. Some bows might be made of carbon fibre. Oh, same with violins, you can get different instruments made of different things. Mine's made of wood. This is called the frog down here, and this is the screw, which is what you use to tighten and loosen your bow, which you should do every time you play your violin. Then we've got the hair, which is actually made of horsehair, just from a horse's tail. And we've got the tip of the bow up here. And that's really it. So that's really it for this week. Just a nice quick video today. I've got a really busy week coming up. So make sure you check out my other videos, and thanks for joining me here at Violin with Catherine, and I'll see you next time.